This is an excerpt from Peter Ralston's new book, Ending Unnecessary Suffering, coming out in March of 2025. I often speak about existential matters, as found in other books and some of what I've said in the first chapters here. And these are important matters that require deep understanding or direct consciousness in order to grasp. Yet I also want to offer more observations about the common experiences in which we live and how they work. Certainly, regarding what is already established in our experience, an existential view of these activities allows us to create insights that can transform that same experience. When we bore down into overlooked elements of our experience, what we discover can make a real difference in our lives. As we saw with all the concepts that create suffering, what we do with our minds makes a big difference in how our experience turns out. Having a deeper experiential understanding of how the mind works gives us a greater ability to control it and to change those conceptual activities where it's useful to do so. In this section, we will address such work. You think and live as if you are a particular person, but it doesn't have to remain that way. Peter Ralston. I assumed I'd become a happy old man when I aged, but it has become clear that if I keep being an angry young man, I will be an angry old man. So I better start practicing happiness now. Doug Chambers. Ending Unnecessary Suffering is coming out in March of 2025. To pre-order now, click the link in the description.